The merchants of state violence expected NASA to walk Kenyans into death traps. They dispatched merchants of death to carefully selected parts of the country. The people are held now under hostage siege. The intent is murder and mayhem. Wanton murder, rape, and violence are being committed against the people to pacify them against seeking justice. This is why the government is violently demobilizing civil society organizations for daring authoritarianism and seeking justice. We had said that we will not go to court. But with the raid on civil society and determination to silence all voices that could seek legal redress, like the AFRICOG and the Kenya Human Rights Commission, you have now decided to move to the Supreme Court and lay before the world the making of, and to move to the Supreme Court and lay before the world the making of a computer-generated leadership. They shamelessly cooked the results from the non-existent polling stations and fake and gazetted presiding and returning officers. They have figures from non-existent forms 34As and 34Bs. They scrambled to manufacture such forms, switched vote numbers, and how they openly swindled to reach predetermined consistent vote numbers. They cooked numbers to the extent that vote tallies often surpassed registered voters in polling stations. This is just the beginning. We will not accept and move on.